be the quarter scoring, Coach Juanito. Thoroughly dominated by May Kawayan yung first two.
And the third quarter really was where
Joel Liu. Apolonio short. Liu with a rebound. Cross-court pass, Aldive, the pitch, the basket, plus a foul. Manny Ping is the digital wallet built for the community.
in terms of trying to go for that steal, it's gonna be AJ Miranda. Sumubok siyang umiwas.
Naive gets it from Jeric Serrano. Apolonio is free, and he makes them pay, hitting the trifecta.
It's actually the reason why they would be going with this 5.
Maguliano, they swing it. Mendoza is free, wide open. All net on that free.
Beautiful ball movement by Rizal.
Now he's trying to guard MJ De La Vergen. Those two guys wrestling for position. Sarao coming away with a rebound. They could cut it to 9 if Victoria could hit this one, and he does! 9-point advantage for May Kawayan. Touch pass up Pregu. Moves around, got around JP Maguliano and was able to score. Drop it from beyond the arc.
That was a little early on their shot clock. Itong Rizal, and a quick answer coming from Sean Orhente.
Humihit si Sarao. The pivot inside, 2 points plus 1 after getting fouled.
Not the usual one-on-one situations on the post para dito sa Rizal. But if you need a basket, especially with the height.
Pumuposte si Sarao. Nakatanggap sa ilalim. Humihit. JP. Good kick out. Manalang. Pull-up jumper is good. But totally a different story with 8 points, 4 of 4 from the free throw line. Mendoza, another open look, and he hits it. Shot clock at 6. May Kawayan content on letting the clock run out. And now they give up a layup. I'm sure they're happy with May Kawayan taking this win.
I do hope to play with you guys soon.
Taka, maganda yan. Magandang ideya yan, Coach Juanito. 10 triples in the first half, 10 out of 19, did not let up, and even though Rizal threatened, they were able to pull through in the end.
Terrific offensive game.